How to edit 4K video in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video I will show you guys how you can edit 4K video in Capcut. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, before starting, make sure that your device supports the 4K edited video. Now open your Capcut application and tap on New Project. Now select the clip which is recorded in 4K resolution. For example, let's say I will choose this video and now tap on Add button. Once you are on this page, now you can edit your video from the different tools at the toolbar. But in order to edit the 4K video, click on the 180p drop down menu. Now here you can see the different options in order to customize your video. Now slide the slider of the resolution option to 2K 4K. If you notice, when you slide the slider to 2K 4K, the estimated size of the video will be double the original. So that's it. In this simple way you can edit the 4K video in Capcut. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.